Hi everybody, look at that sky. It's gray, it's raining all day long, and it's the perfect weather to make a nice comforting soup. I found lots of veggies in my refrigerator, and I'm going to make an Albondigas soup. It's a meatball soup with tons of vegetables. First of all, I'm going to peel all my carrots, and I have some celery here. Now, I used more than what you're seeing here, but I just didn't want to crowd my work surface. So I'm prepping all my vegetables before I get started on the soup. The entire recipe will be in the description box. I'm chopping up some onions and garlic cloves. So then I went inside my refrigerator. I found some spinach and some cabbage. And I'm going to chop up my cabbage. So now I prepped all my vegetables. I'm going to get started on my meatballs. I'm making turkey meatballs for this recipe. So I have some ground turkey, some breadcrumbs, egg, and some spices. And that's it. So easy. I'm going to mix everything together until it's completely combined. Then I got a cookie scooper. It's not the same size as an ice cream scooper. There is a difference. Okay, so I'm using the cookie scooper. I have a parchment lined cookie sheet, and I'm going to make my meatballs, and I'm going to lay them all out on the side like this. So I made all my meatballs. Now let's get started on the soup. I have a big stock pot and I added my onions and olive oil. I'm going to cook my onions for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to add my garlic and I'm going to cook that up for about 30 more seconds. Now I'm going to add some water. This is 8 cups of water. I have my flame a little over the medium heat. I'm going to wait about 5 minutes before adding my meatballs to my water. So now I'm going to start adding my meatballs. Okay, the way this works, I'm going to let my meatballs cook for 15 minutes before adding all the rest of my ingredients.
Salsa Verde.
Now to the broth, I'm adding a cup of salsa verde. Just a jarred green salsa adds a lot of flavor. Now I'm going to add all of my vegetables. Okay, this is my carrots, my celery, all of my cabbage, and my spinach. So next I added a little bit of fresh cilantro. And at this point, I still haven't added any extra salt to the broth. So now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Then I covered it and I cooked it the rest of the way. The total cook time for this soup is 30 minutes. And I'm telling you, your vegetables are cooked to perfection. Your meatballs are tender. This is a really good soup. My family really loved it, and it's so healthy. It has spinach and cabbage and carrots and celery. Oh, if you try it, I know you'll love it. Thanks for watching.